I put my entire life savings into Bitcoin and turned $42,000 into over $100,000 and then lost all of those profits.
Crypto market crash is coming. The crypto market recently experienced one of its worst crashes ever, and it seems like it's finally experiencing its downfall. So, is the crypto market about to experience a crash? Let's find out. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ethereum. At the moment, Bitcoin stands at $680 billion, Ethereum at $290 billion. About 5 to 6 weeks ago, Bitcoin was over $1 trillion, and no one foresaw such a huge dip coming. The total market cap was $2.5 trillion. Now it's less than 2. And this could go even more down. Bitcoin went down a whopping 8.7% in the last 24 hours. Ether was trading in at about $2,000. It lost 23.1% over the last 24 hours. On the other hand, Cardano is at $49 billion. It seems like the best option for staking right now. The total fall of Bitcoin was 26.7% in the past 24 hours. Its peak was $43,602, and now it's at $31,926, according to reports by CoinDesk data. It did go up a bit and somewhat saved some damage, now at $39,461. Zachary Friedman, Chief Operating Officer for quantitative firm at GDA, Global Digital Assets, has said that Bitcoin has fallen down nearly 50% from its peak in April. What we saw today was a black swan event of cascading liquidations, Friedman said. However, nothing to worry about. Bitcoin is crawling back up. Wednesday is looking out to be the highest spot volume day for Bitcoin in all of 2021 so far. CoinDesk tracked the major exchanges and found that the daily volume is more than $14 billion. Friedman also observed that, in his opinion, this is probably as low as Bitcoin will ever dip. Plus, traders will keep picking up Bitcoin, even if such a dip does occur again. Keeping track of exchanges has shown us that activity involving investors putting Bitcoin on exchanges has fallen by 40%, to around 51,000 exchanges only, reports Glassnode data aggregator. China could possibly be coming down hard on crypto too. Until recently, China had banned crypto. This is probably one of the factors that push new investors to sell their stocks. This could even lower exchange activity in the long term. China probably did this to push their own digital currency within their government. After Bitcoin, the second largest currency, Ether, was trading at about $2,609, going down 23.1%. The entire fall for Ether going from a peak of $3,477 to $2,089, nearly 40% down. It has sort of recovered and gone back up to $2,609. Even though it suffered a steeper fall, Ether has been annihilating Bitcoin in terms of performance this year. ETH's percentage spike is in the triple digits, while Bitcoin has turned up a gain of only 59% this year. However, only Bitcoin has been attributed with saving crypto from inflation. Dogecoin has also been at a loss, going down by more than 20%. Now it stands at 0.397 cents, according to more research by CoinDesk. Alts have always been more groundless, as compared to the original Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems to be coming back to life at press time, exchanging at a 4% increase on the day at $45,300, as reported by CoinDesk 20. These volatile changes have led a deficiency of more than $460 billion in the previous 24 hours for the crypto's complete market capitalization. The critical moment was at long last penetrated in January 2018, showing Bitcoin's arrival into a bear market. What came next was very nearly a year-long auction to as little as $3,200. From that point onwards, crossovers above and underneath 53.00 have filled in as dependable markers of bullish and bearish pattern changes. The RSI moved above 53.00 in April 2019 and April 2020, starting off significant value rallies. Then dips under the level in September 2019 and February 2020 brought huge misfortunes. Similarly, on Wednesday, US stocks started to go down, further egged on by some pretty big losses on some tech stocks, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. As per TradingView, the absolute market capitalization for crypto resources presently remains at around $1.565 trillion, down 21.96% in the previous 24 hours. Litecoin, another cryptocurrency, has been doing terribly over the last 6 months. Matic has stood out at $1.80, but that is a dip, as it used to be at an all-time high of $2.60. Solana is also going down back to $29. Theater is at $6.80. Another crypto worth looking at is XMR. It was $2.81, but now it's $2.60. FTT is definitely one of the ones to watch out for. FTT is the FTX exchange, and it currently stands at a $3 billion market cap. It could even maybe compete with Binance, but Binance actually invested in FTT previously, so they're not really trying to knock the other one down since they are invested in each other. Since if FTT does well, Binance is also going to do well. We have Bitcoin superiority right now. It does only make sense, since Bitcoin is the most well-known and oldest cryptocurrency. It laid the groundwork for the other ones to come in. The trends right now show that Bitcoin is looking at a bright future and altcoins are going to suffer a little. However, we have observed that traders are investing in the cheaper cryptocurrencies right now. What their strategy is, we don't really know, but it could be that they're trying to set off a rebound through these seemingly foolish investments. There may be another alternative to cryptocurrency in the near future too: stablecoins. These pick up where crypto lacks. Stablecoins are computerized tokens that are fixed to a fiat money that go about as supporting components against the possible long-term inefficiency of digital currency insurance costs. And they may simply be the business's best expectation going into 2021. Stablecoins may see development 1 year from now for two reasons. One, an after effect of the drawn-out unsteadiness of non-concentrated tokens. And two, the current innovator in the stablecoin business, TAI, is situated to be deposed. As one of the soonest stablecoins to arrive at the standard, Tether, USDT, has endured various profoundly promoted developing agonies while the sub-business created. Other stablecoins have effectively entered the field, meaning to torque away its strength. While it's hard to say which, assuming any, computerized monetary forms will see emotional value gains in 2021, we can say with certainty that cryptographic money isn't disappearing at any point in the near future. Blockchain, the hidden innovation behind numerous cryptographic forms of money, has spread far outside of the computerized cash industry, and is probably going to see new applications this year. Governments and controllers will keep on wrestling with how to best work with and control advanced tokens. The prime of digital forms of money may have traveled every which way, but on the other hand, it's conceivable that the crypto market actually has a great deal of potential gains to go. We do know one thing without a doubt. Digital forms of money were once situated to overturn the whole monetary framework. That sort of hype doesn't vanish too quickly without making significant changes in the game. There are several cons to using and investing in cryptocurrency too. The first and foremost being scalability. Warren Buffett even referred to cryptocurrencies as a bubble. He does not think they're worth all the hype. He referred to Bitcoin as an asset that can't be valued since it isn't an asset that produces value. He meant to say that cryptocurrencies are not tangible investments. They don't pay any dividends, nor do they produce any earnings. Those who invest here are simply gambling, hoping that luck is in their favor and rolling the dice that the prices shoot up. It's still too soon to say whether computer code can be an effective replacement for actual currencies. The reasons that currencies work out well in the real world is that there are limited amounts of them. Therefore, it is immune to inflation. Supposedly, there's also a limited amount of Bitcoin, but the number hasn't been revealed as of yet. It's concerning that a lot of people betting on it aren't really concerned with just how much of it there is. But Buffett's concern is a real one. The absence of clarity in this case could be a cover-up. Buffett is also concerned with the lack of regulation and control here. Neither the Federal Reserve nor the government keep watch over it. The anarchism of cryptocurrencies makes him think it'll collapse in on itself. In terms of Bitcoin's outlook, things may be looking grim right now, but historically, this is just yet another hurdle for Bitcoin to overcome and a small one compared to what it has seen in the past. But will it be able to? We'll find out with time.